Okay, fine. Today we are going to fix this problem. The site cannot be reached. So how to fix this problem? So you can troubleshoot here this network. So go to Chrome browser, or if you like any other browser, whatever you like. So here in my case I'm using Chrome browser, so I'm like to set here to go to the Chrome column # here settings. So here you can find the advanced option, and go to the advanced options and the proxy. You have to set the proxy and LAN, fix the LAN connections. So you will need to fix the IP versions 4 or IP version 6 automatically. So here you can look the step-by-step guide actually see, and you can troubleshoot here. Actually I speedify this video because this video will be a very long process, so it will be very boring. So I speedify this and see this step-by-step guide I'm doing here. So look this IP version 6 and IP versions 4, how to fix this. So LAN network, go to properties, so see, and here this is a package delivery options. This is package delivery. So you can manually put the IP and go to the Ethernet. So this problem is not fixed till now. So there are another options. You have to run the command prompt in command prompt in administrative, run as an administrative command prompt cd. So here you have to type a command that is netsh. So that will be fix this problem surely. Because when you run the reset command, you have to reset all of this command. So when you reset this command, it rewrite two registry key that are used to TCP or IP. So this has the same result as removing the reinstalling the protocol. So the reset command rewrite the following two registry key. So it will be definitely fixing your problem, going to be fixing your problem. So you have to restart your PC. There are another process. You have to update the driver. So it will go here. It will definitely fix your problem. So there are lots of options, but I want to tell that TCP IP resetting will be definitely solve your problem. So thank you very much.